Life has a funny way of surprising us. Sometimes it throws us onto unexpected paths, leading us to places we never thought we'd go. For me, that unexpected journey began after my vaccine injury. A journey I never anticipated, yet one that would change everything. When my injury struck, it felt like my world was crumbling apart. Every day was a struggle, and every moment was filled with uncertainty. But amidst the chaos, the pain, and the fear, I discovered a yearning to ride a motorcycle. I stumbled into the world of motorcycling, not knowing what to expect, and what I unearthed was a profound sense of peace. That's when I started Moto Healing. It's about overcoming adversity. It's about becoming stronger, both physically and mentally. It's about regaining confidence. And it's about soothing distressed emotions during difficult times. It's about grounding yourself and learning to love yourself again after tragedy. I never thought I'd find myself on two wheels, but here I am, defying expectations and embracing the beauty and art of motorcycling. Harnessing its strength to navigate through life's toughest moments. Just as the unexpected journey of illness led me into uncharted territory, riding through nature became an unforeseen sanctuary. Where the sights unfold in stunning beauty, and the air is imbued with the invigorating scents of the forest, the wildflowers, and the earthy aromas of the beautiful land that surrounds me. The scent of nature becomes part of us, grounding us in its beauty. The intimate bond with nature and machine keeps us present in the moment. And as we return home, that connection to nature lingers, reminding us of the peace and tranquility found despite life's chaos. A testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the transformative power of peace on two wheels. This is Moto Healing.